Welcome to Teardown Wednesday. My wife and I just bought this house from this guy, and a lot of stuff that didn't work, or sort of worked, half broken stuff. Like this one looks like a angle grinder, but it's actually a polishing machine. Speed, I'm not sure. Anyways, the problem with it is I think somebody used the stop here to break it, and that broke it actually. So the disc was probably spinning, and they tried to stop the disc with putting the little holder pin there, and that left a little dent, so it's getting stuck. Go over it and see if I can fix it. Probably can. It's fairly simple tool, so probably isn't that hard to fix. Gonna be a problem if I can't break the come on. Well, this guy left a lot of tools laying around, and like this Allen wrench that fits in one end and is busted in the other. Down the bin with you. Well, I'm back. Got a new one, from the old box of Allen wrenches, different sizes and kits that I sort of collected. Let's see if I can get this open. Yep, that came loose pretty easy. And it's like every time he bought a kit of wrenches or socket stuff, he spread around and just sooner or later just put everything in one box, sort of in order but not in good condition, so everything is used and very, very dirty. And he had this habit of putting everything on the it's a pretty decent sized garage and also a workshop. It's pretty huge, and a lot of tool holders everywhere, but he had this nasty habit of sorting his tools on the walls, and he didn't attach the tool holders with screws, so every time you took a wrench or a screwdriver or anything like that, the holder just poof, fell down, and after a while it just ended up with a naked tool. What do we call them? That's a wood screw or something. Well, that drove me crazy. So the garage, one-car garage, that wouldn't fit a normal sized car today. It's a pretty good workshop, and everything there is screwed down tight. It's gonna be that one. Okay, probably have to do this one first. Maybe even this one. Nah, probably not. Oh, this one's loose. That's a good sign. And that's machine screw. So these ones probably just go in the plastic, and probably was designed to work once, keep it in place. So my hopes that I will get this back together and it's gonna work is, well, dropped significantly. So what's going on today? Whoops. Let's see here. Sticky. What do we got here? Oh. Ah, shoot. Ha. Well, that's not getting fixed in a near future. That is, well, worn out. That's worn out pretty good. Bearings are pretty good, solid, but not gonna get around that. It's busted on both sides, so what the yeah, probably because, oh god. Okay, this is what happened. The tool, the disc stoppers is on either sides of the wheel here, and when they stop and tighten the wheel, that wears on this one, and this side much worse than the other side. So the little boop bump I felt before, probably not gonna go away. Let's see if I can, no, stuck there. Probably need to always, let's get some paper and some pair of pliers, and then we're gonna get into this one. See if we can. This is probably hardened. This one probably isn't. This one, this shaft is probably just attached to the motor directly. So maybe not this, well, angle gearbox thingy won't be able to be used for anything else, but just gonna get paper and some pliers. Let's see what we can do if we can fix this.